Hello student, welcome to video lecture of class 10th. Myself Abhishek Srivastava. I will teach you chemistry. Now start your first chapter is chemical reaction and equation, and this is your sixth lecture in this chapter. In previous lecture we discussed about our topic corrosion, rusting and rancidity. Also we discuss some method to prevent the rancidity. In this lecture we discuss about some important question related to chapter first. Now we move to first question is why should a magnesium ribbon be cleaned before burning in air? Now answer is magnesium ribbon should be cleaned before burning in air because magnesium metal react with atmospheric oxygen and form MgO. That is, if we burn magnesium ribbon in air, we should be clean that because magnesium metal react with oxygen which are present in atmosphere and form magnesium oxide MgO, and this is white layer, and this magnesium oxide is very stable compound, and after formation of this layer it will not be react further. That is, once if MgO are formed, then it cannot react further with oxygen because this is a stable compound, and for the removal of this layer magnesium ribbon cleaned by sandpaper, and removing of this layer we used sandpaper, and that's we burning the magnesium ribbon. Now we move to next question is a solution of substance X is used for whitewashing. Name the substance X and write its formula. And second one is write the reaction of the substance X named above with water. That is a substance X used for whitewashing. You will be familiar that for whitewashing which substance are we used? Quicklime. The substance X which are used in whitewashing is quicklime. It's also known as a calcium oxide and its formula is CaO. Now second one is write the reaction of the substance X named above with water. Now CaO, calcium oxide react with water. What will be formed? Calcium oxide plus water form calcium hydroxide, and this is the combination reaction type. Now one important note for this type of question. Now what is note? Now here calcium hydroxide slowly react with CO2 in air to form thin layer of calcium carbonate on the walls. That is, calcium hydroxide reacts slowly with carbon dioxide which are present in air and form a thin layer of calcium carbonate on the walls, and the formula of calcium carbonate of CaCO3, and this is also a chemical formula of a marble. Now we move to next question is why does the color of copper sulfate solution change when an iron nails is dipped in it? That is, our question is the color of copper sulfate solution is changed when we dipped iron nails in it. Now when an iron nails is dipped in the copper sulfate solution, then iron displaces the copper from the copper sulfate because Fe is more reactive than Cu. Now here our question is why does the color of copper sulfate solution change when iron is dipped in it? Therefore, iron is more reactive than copper, then iron displaces the copper from copper sulfate solution, so the color of solution will be changed. Now reaction is Fe plus CuSO4. Fe is so reactive than Cu, so Cu displace and form FeSO4 and plus Cu. Now we move to next question is a shiny brown colored element X on heating in air becomes black in color. Name the element X and a black color compound form. Here a shiny brown color X. What is shiny brown color X? Shiny brown color element is copper. You should be memorize these terms. And when it's react, when it's heated in air, it's become black. Now copper metal is heated in air. We get in air. We know that in air react with atmospheric oxygen and form copper oxide and which are black. Now the black color compound is copper oxide, and chemical reaction are given below. Now with balancing here, copper molecule 1 we written as 2, so it's 2, oxygen is 2, here oxygen is 2. It is the balanced chemical equation, and copper oxide which are black in color. On behalf of today lecture, you can solve your homework. Your homework is, when calcium hydroxide react with carbon dioxide, then what will be formed, and write down reaction involved. Behalf of today lecture, you can study this 4 question and solve your homework, and you can search some question related to exercise and NCERT question answer on your textbook. Thank you.